In this video, we will discuss on how to sort the list. Sorting of the list can be done in both ascending and descending order. While sorting the strings, all capital letters will be sorted before lowercase letters and capital letter index is lower than the smaller caps letters index. If we want to have insensitive sort, then we can use the lower method or upper method. We can also customize zone function by using the keyword argument key equals function. We can sort the elements of the list in 4 different ways. The first is using the sort method. It sorts the list elements in ascending order. It will sort the existing list on which the sort has been applied. List.sort returns null, so it cannot be assigned to any other list. The second method is sorted. This method doesn't sort the original list. It sorts the list where it's copied. So, if we want to copy one list to another in sorted order, we should use the sorted method. The third method is nearly similar to the first sort method. If we want to sort the list in descending order, then we should use reverse equals true in braces. It reverses the elements of the list. The fourth method is the reverse method, which just reverses the elements of the list without doing any forward or backward sorting. We can also customize our own function by using the keyword argument key equals function. The function will return a number that will be used to sort the list. We will discuss with example in practical. Let's test the different ways of sorting the list using a program. A list named listString is initialized with 8 values. To sort the elements in a list, we can use the sort method as listName.sort. Sort method by default sorts the list in ascending order. When executed, we can see that the list has been sorted in ascending order. What if the list has small caps letter also? Adding character C in small caps. Capital letters are always smaller than the lowercase letters, so in this case small caps C should come at the last. Executing the program again, we can see that the small caps letter C is present at the end of the list due to sorting in ascending order. We can also sort the list in reverse order or descending order. We need to specify reverse equals true as a parameter to the sort of method. When executed, we can see that is sorted in reverse order. Small caps letter C is the first element and then the capital letters are sorted in reverse order. If we don't want to consider the case sensitiveness and sort the elements without considering the case of a letter or word, then we can pass a key as a parameter as key equals string.lower method. All the letters will be first converted into small caps and then it will be sorted. Executing the program again, we can see that now small caps C is also sorted in correct order and not present as the first or last element of the string. Same can be achieved with using the key as uppercase. In this case, all the letters will be converted into uppercase before doing the sort. Executing the program again, and we can see the same output as we had seen for lowercase. Like string, we can also sort a list which has elements as numbers. Adding a new list as list number with 6 elements and calling the sort method on it. When executed, we can see that all the number are sorted in ascending order. Next we will test the customized sort function. A function is defined as myfunc, which returns the absolute value of a number after subtracting 50. List.sort is called with the key as the function name. This means that all the list values will be passed to the function one by one, and the values returned will be sorted accordingly. Print statement is added to print the sorted list. When executed, we can see that the list is sorted now based on the absolute value returned. To test if this is correct, let's add print statement for all the values in the list, which uses the absolute value. The first print will return value as 30. The second print will return value as 50. The third print will return value as 0. The fourth print will return value as 49. The fifth print will return value as 10. The sixth print will return value as 5. So now based on these values the list will be sorted. Executing the program again. As 0 is the smallest absolute value, so list value 50 is printed first. Next smallest number is 5, so list value 45 is printed. Next smallest number is 10, so list value 60 is printed. Next smallest number is 30, so list value 80 is printed. Next smallest number is 49, so list value 99 is printed. Final number is 50, so list value 100 is printed. So, we can see that the list has been sorted based on the absolute values. So, these are some of the different ways to sort the list elements.